up, you guys, and welcome back to my channel. If you're new to the channel, welcome. My name is Rose. I am an online health and fitness coach for women. I have a 3-month program that will teach you how to achieve your dream plant-based body. And I have a very special guest today, so keep watching. I am here with Nikki. She finished my program a few months ago, and we're in her basement. We're gonna hit a workout, and we're also gonna talk about her experience, how she went from calorie counting, workout video cardio junkie to literally having a home gym in her basement. So stay tuned. So Nikki is a mom. She now has a 6-pack, but before she joined, her workout and nutrition routine looked a lot different. So Nikki, what kind of inspired you to join the program?
So I was pregnant and I gained a lot of weight during pregnancy. So after I delivered, I wanted to get the weight off. So on my own, I did a lot of cardio and calorie counting, and I was able to get the weight off, but I wasn't achieving the results that I wanted, the body that I wanted. I felt like I was just kind of spinning and going nowhere. So Rose's mom actually came to my house to meet the baby and was telling me that her daughter had this online program. So of course I went online and I looked her up and followed her for about 4 months, kept watching videos, kept contemplating, and finally I just said, you know what, I'm going to book a call, see, what the program's about, and I did, and
here we are, almost a year later.
Yeah.
You're never leaving.
No.
Okay, so definitely when Nikki came to me, she was that, lost the baby weight, but just you couldn't get toned.
No.
Like I saw it, like you just couldn't get, like the muscles were wanting to come out, but they just weren't
I was
there
fluffy.
yet. Just a little fluffy. And then you had a drastic transformation in a 3-month period.
Yeah.
What would you say your biggest accomplishment was in the 3 months?
Oh, definitely the weight training and the 6-pack. I mean, I've never had a 6-pack in my entire life.
Mm-hmm.
It was something that I never thought I would ever be able to have. And the fact that I can see a 6-pack even having a baby and gaining 50 plus pounds during my pregnancy, it still blows my mind that I see it.
And you're eating a lot of food.
And I'm eating a lot of food.
A lot of food.
Yeah.
A lot of food. That's the thing. What you were doing before with calorie counting is just so restrictive.
Yes.
And now you're shifting to eating more, to train hard, and to just maintain this amazing body. So Nikki, last question. What would you say if a new mom or a mom is watching this and they're kind of on the fence about joining the program?
So I would definitely say, obviously, do it because it was life-changing for me. When I joined with Rose, my daughter was 10 months old, and I knew that I had to make myself a priority, and mentally I had to do something for myself because I was kind of falling into that, everyday routine of taking care of a baby, taking care of the house, and I needed to do something for myself, and this was the part that was missing. And the fact that I have that hour to myself to do something for me, to make myself feel good, is just, it's great for my mental health, physical health, obviously. And now that my daughter's a little bit older, she comes down, she's interested in what I'm doing. So it kind of follows the whole healthy mindset and setting the example for her. And my husband's on board now, and he just recently lost 20 pounds. So it's good for our whole family.
I love it. Thank you, Nikki. Let's go work out.
All right.